In this tutorial, you will learn how to know which Indian stocks are being traded on US stock exchanges as ADRs using investing.com. First, let's change our region preference as India. Go to Markets tab. Under that, go to Shares section. Now, click on India ADRs. Here, you will get the list of all the ADRs. You can click on each one of them to get more details. You can also view candlestick chart, if required, by clicking on this icon. If you are interested in technical analysis, price action, then do visit this blog for similar content. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe the channel for more such videos and press bell icon to receive notifications.